Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create your own custom coordinate system. So what I've done is I've opened up FieldGenius here, and I'm going to head to the bottom left corner where my plumb bob icon is, and within my plumb bob icon here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the settings option. Within settings here, I'm going to click on coordinate system, and then within my coordinate system settings, I'm going to click on edit list as I want to create a new coordinate system here. Within my edit list, you can see I have UTM zone 11, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add to list here, and you can see I have three different options. Select coordinate system from database, create new user coordinate system, and create new user coordinate system from database selection. So in my case, as I said, I want to create a wholly new coordinate system. So what I'm going to do is click the second option here. That's going to bring up a menu where I can input all of my various different parameters. In my case, I'm going to create a UTM zone 11 derivative here. So I'm going to call it Nolan's UTM zone 11. And do note, I accidentally put a apostrophe in there. I guess I'm a little bit too grammatically correct. You're actually not able to put those in the coordinate system names, but I will remove that at the end of all my parameters here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in an equatorial radius and a polar radius, which will automatically calculate an inverse flattening here. For my datum parameters, I'm going to be doing a Molodensky option here, and then I'm going to put in my delta x, y, and z as 0 because I'm just taking the numbers off of UTM zone 11. Obviously, you put in your own parameter and your own parameter information there. Now, for my projection parameters here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select, I said, beginning of the video, I want to make this off UTM zone 11, so I'm going to be using the universal transverse Mercator system option here to set up my projection. My UTM, I'm going to base off zone 11, and I'm going to change my hemisphere to south. And you can see here the apostrophe is not a valid name, so let me go remove that and make it a little bit more condensed here. I'm going to hit OK, and you can see I now have this user-defined coordinate system within my list that I can select. In my case, I'm going to make sure it's selected and hit OK, and you can see that it's now saved as my coordinate system, and anything I do forward in this project will be using this custom coordinate system. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you create your own custom coordinate system within MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.